Well, a very good evening to my dear students and parents. This is the principal of Sri Sadguru Pratishthan Brilliant Academy English Medium School, Fulton, Dr. Prafulla Dagle. Well, I'm sure students and my parents are definitely safe at home and they're taking care of themselves as well their own parents. But let me tell you that the global pandemic crisis of 2019 has hit globally. It has made all the nations feel insecure. And during this period of time, the health workers, the police personals, it could be the technocrats, bureaucrats, writers, researchers, the doctors, the nurses, the social responsible cells, everybody is working day in and day out. They are on toes 24 by 7 on roads, across the borders, along the borders, and ensuring that we are safe. But here comes the question, what is happening in the education field? Certainly, there are the hidden warriors who are at home and ensuring that the education is imparted to the students. Knowledge is shared. During this period of lockdown, it is taken care by none other than the teachers. Our dear teachers, they are at home, but they are ensuring that the best education by using the virtual classrooms is provided to the students. Let me tell you, Brilliant Academy English Medium School has always been in the forefront in the city to ensure that the creativity, innovation has always been showcased in the activities which they have done. It has been the tradition of Brilliant Academy English Medium School. During the lockdown period, also, we have taken initiatives to ensure that the online form for the admission has been taken care, where parents can just sit at home and through our platforms they can fill up the form online. We have also ensured a month ago that Google Classroom, by virtual classrooms via Zoom, Google Meet, and other applications have been run for the senior grade students, and our teachers are taking equal efforts for the senior grade students to ensure that there is no academic loss for the students that happens. And I must tell you here, it is really important to mention, I feel proud to say that under the able leadership and the support and cooperation of our management as well, nevertheless, to mention our dear parents, we have been successfully able to run it with a good way from last month and still doing the same. But I feel proud also to share with you that under the able leadership of our administrative director, Mrs. Priyadarshini Bhosle, we have come up to ensure that this education of online and virtual classroom does not limits only to the senior grade students. We must also ensure that this online training is imparted to the primary section as well. But it is certainly a difficult challenge to take online classes. Doing offline teaching is a major challenge, but online becomes far more greater challenge for the teachers in terms of the connectivity issues. It could be the teaching aids, it could be the tools, it could be the drawing or any other thing, but my teachers have successfully been able to take care of that. And with all these efforts, today we would like to inform you that the Fun and Learn education online for our primary section is going to begin soon. I would also like to tell you what my parents are supposed to do and my students. By sitting at home, you can certainly do that. The first and the foremost thing my parents and students are supposed to do is that they need to ensure that they have different qualities. There is a creativity, there is a hidden talent which they can showcase, and through poems, it could be through poem recitation, it could be the strokes, it could be the speech, or any other co-curricular and academic activities which they would like to showcase and bring forward to us, to the management, to the school, and for our friends. So for this, we have started with the YouTube channel where students can send their videos. They can take the help of their parents and send their videos about their creativity of academic and co-curricular activities, and we will shortlist these videos. Once these videos are shortlisted by the committee of teachers, we would upload it on the YouTube channel, which is Born Brilliant, launched by Sri Sadguru Pratishthan Brilliant Academy English Medium School. And I'm sure, my dear students and parents, you would certainly enjoy that. The only request is that we need to be professional, and I want I request my parents that students need to wear a school uniform and then send their videos, and we would certainly ensure that most and every one of us would be given that opportunity to showcase their talent. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.